So one of the questions I get a lot from our clients and from hospital and healthcare executives who are trying to understand how PEGD works is, what can we expect in terms of the types of people that PEGD is going to identify as good fits? The people that PEGD is going to predict as being highly successful. And I like to tell people they should be prepared for a couple of things. So on one hand, you're going to see people that you normally wouldn't have thought would be successful in this role for any number of reasons. And part of that is because of what PEGD is designed to do, which is designed to cut through our subjective opinions about what makes someone successful versus not. So you may see someone who doesn't have the background you're used to seeing in applicants for this particular role, but the data is telling us this individual is actually highly likely to be successful in this role. You're going to see people who have something on their resume or in their application that normally would be a red flag for you, and PEGD is saying this person is highly likely to be successful. That's what's designed to happen, because remember, PEGD is trying to address sort of two errors that we make in the hiring process because of all the subjectivity in resumes, right? On one hand, we have someone whose resume looks great, their application is perfect, they come in and interview well, and then we hire them, and 3 months later we're saying, who is this person? Why didn't this work out, right? So that's one type of error. The other type of error is the one that we never see. And those are large numbers of applicants who aren't even given a second look because the signals in their resume don't look like what we think they should. So they don't have whatever it is that we think they should have in their application or resume, and so they're not even given a chance to interview. PEGD is designed to sort of level the playing field, if you will, and look at all of that data objectively and say, okay, of this pool of applicants, whether it's 20 applicants, 100 applicants, or 500 applicants, who are the folks that are most likely to be successful in this job? So as a result, you're going to see two surprising things. One, you're going to see some applicants who you think on paper look fabulous, that PEGD is saying, you know what, this person isn't necessarily going to be the best fit for this role in your organization. And you're going to see people that you say, well, I never would have brought them in for an interview, and PEGD is saying they're highly likely to be successful. So that's the beauty of PEGD. That's what we do. We're finding those diamonds in hiding, if you will, and knowing that by keeping an open mind and considering those folks, you're going to have the opportunity to build a more successful organization.